My name is Tiffany Shirato.
My name is Wayne Shirato with Lifetime Transmissions in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma.
It
2017 was my first
was his
expo meeting.
very first time I made him go.
About a year later, we signed up with you guys. It said on the pamphlet, or somebody had told me, one or the other, that Autoshop Solutions dealt mainly with the automotive industry. So that impressed me because it sounded like you guys did not spread yourself too thin.
And I think when you're dealing with a company that knows the industry you're in, communication's a lot better. We dealt with other companies before that were good companies, but making them understand the needs that we had and the customers that we needed and what goes on in our shop sometimes could be challenging when they didn't understand automotive repair.
You always have a good account manager for every business that you take care of. You become friends with them. They know you, first name basis. They understand what you're looking for. They're very attentive. The thing that's impressive is just recently, I needed to make several changes in one of our websites. And I needed to get them done quickly. I'm not very patient, but within a week's time, he got enough of it done to where I was able to publish the website like I wanted it to grow my business in the areas that I was talking about. And right now, everybody has an excuse because we all know what happened from 2019 to date. They've always got an excuse. We have never seen that happen with Autoshop Solutions. They've never given us an excuse. They just get it taken care of.
The one thing that really stands out about their company is that they really are in it for the industry.
We immediately, how do I say this?
See the return on investment?
Yeah, immediately. I mean, it just, you were able to get our website up and running through your company and get results on it faster than what people normally tell you to do.
Definitely an increase in traffic. I see a lot more online form submissions. I think because the website's so easy to navigate and they're familiar with what a customer is looking for when they come in the shop.
I'd say invest your money into Autoshop Solutions. You get more bang for your buck by doing that.